Here's how to add a new project to your website. First, log into your website with your WordPress logins. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the left-hand side and select Projects. Once you hover over Projects, you'll see the drop-down option to select Add New. And then we want to add a new project. So select Add New. Now let's do a few quick configuration settings. First, give your project a title. Right in the top first field. Next, hit the big purple button to use the Divi builder. You'll always do this no matter what type of post you're creating, post, page, or project. Next, on the right-hand side, scroll down to the project categories. Select the project category that fits yours best. Only check one category. Next, select a featured image that best represents your project by going to Set Featured Image. That brings you to everything that's been uploaded to your WordPress website so far. If your media or your image is already uploaded, great, just select the one that works best. If not, you can upload as much more content as you want. It's actually really easy. You don't even have to use this navigation. You can just drag and drop directly from your computer. So for example, here's a file in my file system. All I have to do is hover over it, click on it with my mouse and hold, and drag and drop it over. And from any of the image screens, it'll automatically upload and select it for you. If you prefer, you can also, to upload new images, go to Upload Files, and then select Files, which opens your computer to upload files that way. Any of those ways work exactly the same. And then select the featured image. Whichever one is checked is the one you've selected. And then at the bottom right, hit the Set Featured Image blue button. You'll know when it's done because the featured image will appear as a preview option under the Featured Image section on the bottom right. Great job! Almost done with setup. Next, we're going to load the template that you're going to work from. To do that, go back to the purple Divi Builder section. Select the second option over in their menu options, Load from Library. Next, you'll select Add from Library from the purple options at the top. Your template that we've made for you is going to appear with your company name right at the top. Select Load. That auto-loads the whole template for you that looks just like the projects that we put together for you already. We did that so that you could easily see exactly what type of content you'll want to replace for your next project. To edit any of the project contents, go into the gray boxes and select the hamburger menu to edit your content. Once you select that menu, you'll be able to see what content to edit based on what you see in there. So let's say you want to edit this heading to a new one. Now notice this is set as a heading 1, and you want to keep it that way. As long as you just backspace through, you'll still have a heading 1 there. But if you accidentally highlight the whole thing and hit delete, did you see what happened over here? The formatting was deleted too because it deleted everything you had in there. So make sure you take a gander at what it's set up as before you end up killing the formatting, but no big deal. If you accidentally do hit backspace too much, you can just hit Command-Z or Control-Z on a Windows computer, which takes you back to what you had before, and you can try again. Once you have your new project name in, hit the Save and Exit green button on the right. Next, say you want to change out your image. Hit the hamburger menu on the gray box to edit the image. And then you can select the gray Upload an Image button. Even if you're using an existing image, this is the button that you want to click. So if your image is already uploaded, great. If not, you can drag and drop it in, and then it will be available for you to select. So we'll select an image. You don't need to mess with any of the settings. Next, in the bottom right, hit the Set Image button. You'll always know if the correct image was selected because it'll instantly update with a preview here for you. And that's it. Then hit the green Save and Exit button. You can go through the rest of it the same way, editing the sections that you need to edit. There will be some that you might click into and realize you don't need to make any changes. For example, divider is just a formatting tip. You don't need to change that per project. You can just leave it just like it is. Anytime you get lost or don't really understand where something that you see and want to edit appears on the website, you can open it up, check out the content, and then you can go preview your project in order to see. So let's say you don't really know where this development description appears. So you can look at what content it is, and then you can hit the purple X to X out, and then under the Publish button, you can hit Preview, now if you scroll down, you can see exactly where that development description is and what it looks like live on the site. Now, there is a small bug that I've seen pop up on occasion that projects will appear to have this little sidebar. They won't have a sidebar when they go live. You're not doing anything wrong, it's just a bug. I assume that in a few updates, which we do for you on the back end, that'll go away. So don't worry about it. So, to save your work and come back later, you can hit Save Draft under the Publish option right here. That saves everything that you've done to date. If you hit the Preview button and it doesn't look right, try hitting Save Draft. Maybe something hadn't auto-saved yet, and that's why you're not seeing it correctly. For example, that little sidebar goes away as soon as I hit Save Draft. And then you can scroll down and see all of your content. When you're done updating all of your content, to push your content live, go over to the Publish button, or the Publish section on the right-hand side. Once you're sure that everything looks great and you're ready, hit the blue Publish button. That pushes your content live. As soon as you do that, you'll see that on your website. Sometimes your website might have some speed-enhancing features that preload some of your content. Or for a quick way to put it, that means that sometimes your browser won't immediately show that your new page is published. But don't worry, it is live. It's just that your browser's already downloaded a past version of your website to make your website faster for you. All you have to do, if that happens, is go to your new website, and then you can do a refresh. You can hit in the Chrome browser, there's a little circle refresh button. Or on a Mac, you can hit Command-Shift-R. Let's go back to your edit screen. If you accidentally hit the Publish button too quickly and have put your content live, you can actually undo that, so don't panic. So, if you go over to the right-hand side, where it says Status Published, you can hit the blue Edit button, select Draft from the drop-down, and select OK. Then hit the blue Update button. That's important. It's only after you hit the blue Update button that your post will revert back to being a draft instead of a published post. And then you're done. And now your new project is live.